The GLT rock blocker. They are the most amazing piece of phone I've ever bought, but they do work really well. They barely look at this, guys. They don't even show. Pretty sweet. And if you look here, I mean, I'm in British Columbia. It's like January. There's rocks everywhere. This thing used to be filled, and I mean filled with rocks, and nothing, not one. And I've driven, like I went for a drive today for about 150 kilometers. And there is nothing, so it really works. I will highly recommend those, guys. For like 20 bucks, well, for me anyways, Canadian, before the shipping. They barely show on the car. Super easy to install. Took me about freaking a minute each. Yeah, look at that, no rocks. And yeah, very good piece of kit.